students. Today we will discuss colloids. Colloids. So, what is meant by colloid? A colloid is a heterogeneous system in which a substance is dispersed, called dispersal phase, as a very fine particles in another substance called the dispersion medium. So that means this colloid has now two phases: dispersal phase, which is dispersed, and the other one is dispersion medium, in which the dispersal phase is dispersed. That is known as dispersion medium. So this colloid, ये colloid जो होता है, it is intermediate. ये intermediate होता है between solution and suspension, having particle size. इसका जो particle size होता है, that is between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer, and some books write 1000 nanometer. So 1 nanometer is equal to 1 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. So below this 1 nanometer, that is a solution. Above this 100 or 1000 nanometer, that is suspension. वो होती है suspension. जो ये colloids होते हैं, they do not settle down under the force of gravity on long keeping. अगर हम बहुत देर तक भी रखेंगे उनको एक ही जगह undisturbed, so they do not settle down under the force of gravity because of the small size of particles. They have slow rates of diffusion. उनकी जो rate of diffusion होती है वो slow होती है. Therefore they cannot pass through vegetable and animal membrane. इसलिए animal membrane और vegetable membrane से pass नहीं होते. So colloid particles do not pass through vegetable and animal membranes. They have enormous surface area per unit mass because of the small size. In a small size की वजह से they have enormous surface area. So we have some examples of colloids: storage in water, या glue in water, gelatin in water. ये सब यहाँ पर colloids हैं. They provide an example of colloids. ये colloidal system है. ये colloidal systems है. So we can classify these colloids. We can classify these colloids on the basis of the physical state of the dispersal phase and dispersion medium. In a colloids can be classified on the basis of the physical state of the dispersal phase and dispersion medium. So on this basis, we have 8 types of colloids. We have solid sol, we have sol, we have aerosol, we have gel, we have emulsion, we have liquid aerosol, solid foam, and the 8th one is foam. So what is a solid sol? A solid sol क्या होता है? Solid sol, it is a colloid in which both the dispersion phase and the dispersion medium or solids. इन दोनों यहाँ पर solids हैं. Dispersion phase भी and dispersion medium भी. Both are solids. For example, we have rock salt, we have gemstone. These are solid sols. ये solid sol है. Number second is that is called sol. So sol is a type of colloid in which the dispersion phase is a solid and dispersion medium is a liquid. So sol में dispersion phase होता है solid और dispersion medium होता है liquid. So we can put an example. We have storage in water, glue in water, gelatin in water. They brought example of sol. So we have third one, that is aerosol. So aerosol is a colloid in which the dispersion phase is a solid. And dispersion medium is a gas. So dispersion medium is a gas. So we can put an example, smoke. So smoke is a colloid, aerosol here. So we have volcanic dust. they are examples of aerosol. In a smoke and volcanoes are the examples of aerosol. So this was aerosol. So in aerosol, the dispersion phase is a solid and dispersion medium is a gas. So we have the fourth one, that is gel. Gel. So in this gel, the dispersion phase, that is the substance which is dispersed as a very fine particles. This dispersed phase is a liquid and the dispersion medium is a solid. Dispersion medium is a solid. Here the liquid substance is dispersed as a very fine particles in a dispersion medium which is a solid. So shoe polish is an example, or jellies are the examples of gels. So we have the fifth one, that is emulsion. Emulsion is a colloid. It is a special type of colloid in which both the dispersion phase and dispersion medium are immiscible liquids. These are immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids होते हैं. So we have milk. Milk is an example of emulsion. We have vanishing cream. This is an example of emulsion. We have one more, that is liquid aerosol. Liquid aerosol, in this particular type of colloid, the dispersion phase is a liquid. यहाँ पर dispersion phase होता है liquid and dispersion medium is a gas. ये gas है. For example, we have mist or fog. Mist is a colloid. Fog is a colloid. A special type of colloid known as liquid aerosol. Liquid aerosol है. In this particular colloid, the dispersion phase is a liquid. So liquid as a very fine particle is dispersed in the dispersion medium, which is a gas, जो gas है. So we have one more, that is solid foam. Solid foam is a colloid in which the dispersion phase is a gas. So solid foam में dispersion phase होता है gas and dispersion medium. In a dispersion phase medium होता है gas, dispersion medium होता है solid. ये हो गया solid foam. For example, we have the example of this solid foam, that is rubber. रबर है, bread जो हम खाते हैं, that is a type of colloid, that is solid foam. So we have one more, that is foam. The last and the eighth one, that is foam, F-O-M, foam. This foam is also a colloid. Here the dispersion phase is a gas. यहाँ पर dispersion phase gas है and dispersion medium is a liquid. यहाँ dispersion medium liquid है. So for example, we have soap leather. So soap leather is a colloid known as foam. In this particular colloid, the dispersion phase is a gas and dispersion medium is a liquid. So we have wiped cream. Soap leather and wiped cream is an example of foam. So in short, we can say that on the basis of physical state of the dispersive phase and the dispersion medium, we have 8 types of colloids: solid sol, aerosol, gel, emulsion, liquid aerosol, solid foam, and foam.